Hello everyone. Surely you already know that Australian agriculture includes various products such as wheat, cashews, coconuts, cotton, sugarcane, fruits, and especially livestock farming. Livestock farming plays a crucial role in Australian agriculture, with activities such as raising livestock and poultry such as sheep, goats, poultry, and even kangaroos being predominant. More importantly, Australia is also renowned for its characteristic livestock farming, particularly cattle. Australia is one of the leading producers of beef in the world, exporting beef to many countries worldwide. In terms of food production, Australia not only produces enough food to meet domestic demand, but also exports to many markets around the world. The main purpose of cattle farming in Australia is to provide high-quality beef to both domestic and international markets. Australia is famous for its supply of clean and safe beef, being one of the world's leading producers in this field. In addition, the cattle farming industry also plays an important role in providing milk and dairy products, such as yogurt and butter. Besides, cattle are also used to benefit from providing fur, leather, and organic fertilizer, contributing to the economy and supplying raw materials for other industries. Not only a source of beef supply, but cattle farming also brings many environmental and social benefits. Australian cattle farms are often managed sustainably, helping to protect natural grassland areas and maintain local ecosystems. Moreover, the cattle farming industry provides employment for thousands of Australians, especially in rural areas, contributing to the country's economic and social development. In conclusion, cattle farming not only plays an important role in providing food for humans, but also contributes to the sustainable development of Australia, from the economic to environmental and social aspects. Have you ever wondered how Australian farmers can transport their livestock, especially large cattle herds, to various countries and remote regions around the world? Today, let's explore the secrets behind the process of transporting millions of cattle to different continents. The transportation of cattle to other countries is a complex process that requires special attention to the safety and health of the animals. In this process, ensuring animal hygiene, veterinary health, and disease prevention is crucial. Transport vehicles need to be specially designed to ensure comfort and safety for the cattle throughout the journey. checking the health of the cattle before transportation, and administering vaccinations before departure are also essential steps. To transport large livestock like cattle, selecting an appropriate truck is crucial. These trucks need to have a large size to comfortably accommodate the entire herd, equipped with modern features such as an effective ventilation system, protective trays, and a robust safety system. Cooling features and non-slip floors are specially integrated to ensure a comfortable and safe environment for the cattle throughout the journey. In addition, providing an adequate supply of food, water, and suitable environmental conditions is necessary to protect the health and avoid stress for the cattle. Careful guidance and management from experienced individuals in transportation and animal care are also essential to ensure smooth and safe procedures. Each country has specific regulations and guidelines for transporting cattle, and compliance with these regulations is a basic step to ensure the safety of both cattle and the community. This helps prevent the spread of diseases and ensures that cattle are transported safely and efficiently from production to consumption worldwide. It's great to accompany you through meaningful videos like this. What topic would you like me to share in the next video? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us for more exciting videos. For now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.